Welcome back to the Aquarius training video series on the Field Visit tool. This video is going to show you how to manually add observations to a measurement activity. In this measurement activity on the screen, there are already a few observations here, and we're going to add a few more. To manually add an observation, click the green plus icon over here. As you can see, it adds a new line for the new observation. I'm going to type in the time of this observation was taken. And for the parameter, I'm not going to choose water velocity, which was chosen because the previous observation was for water velocity. I'm going to click this magnifying glass over here. That brings up this search box where I can search for a parameter. I'm going to put in another stage measurement. I'm going to put in a stage of 2.019 meters. You can change the units if you want to, but I'm going to leave it as meters. And it's a good idea after you've entered an observation or two to hit the save button, just so nothing is lost in case your computer were to crash. I'm going to add another observation now, so I'm going to click the green plus icon. I'll put in the time this observation was taken. This is going to be a water turbidity observation. And in this case, I'm going to imagine that the turbidity that I observed with my sensor wasn't even enough to really register much of a value, aside from the fact that there was some turbidity. So to reflect that situation, we're going to choose a qualifier in this column to say it was less than 0.01 NTU. I'm going to go ahead and add one more observation to this measurement activity. So I'll click the green plus icon. I'll put in a time for this observation. This is going to be an air temperature observation. And I'm going to put in a value of 25.6 degrees Celsius. And just to demonstrate this correction column, this can be used to apply a correction to an observation. So say this is what I had logged in the field on my thermometer, and then I found out later that my thermometer was inaccurate. I can reflect that by putting in a negative 0.5 degree correction right here, and you can see the corrected value column takes that into account. As before, I'm going to remember to save my work, and now I've manually entered in 3 new observations.